Hi beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Victoria's Secret haul for you guys. Hopefully my bag is focusing. Yep, autofocus is working. Yeah, so we're gonna just go ahead and get started. It's not gonna be a long Victoria's Secret haul. So the very first thing that I'm gonna pull out for you guys is, oh, first off, excuse my hair. I'm having a very bad hair day, so excuse my hair, and excuse anything that's out of place right now. I'm looking in the viewfinder, everything looks okay, but you never know, you know, when you go back and you look at editing and you be like, oh, that was going on and that was going on. But whatever I can fix as far as coloring, shading, autofocus, or anything, I'll just do that. And editing, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out is this robe. This is like a red silk robe. I love robes. I'm totally a robe girl. This is a red robe. It's lace in the back. And then at the end of the sleeves it has like lace on it. So I love wearing robes, like even in loungewear, not even just pajamas. I like to wear them just like around the house because I'm one of those type of people, if I'm not going anywhere or filming, like I don't really have on like an outfit or a fit. I'm comfortable. So yeah, I walked in Victoria's Secret and I was like, I'll take this, that, and then I was like, no, I don't want that, and then I kept coming back looking at this, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it. And I literally came back probably like 3 times, and then finally I was just like, I'm just gonna get it. But it's gonna get a lot of wear, and it's very beautiful. It's like, it's not all the way down to your feet, but it's past your calves. I'm 5'3", so if you're my height, it's gonna be like past your calves. If you're taller, it might like come a little bit by your knees or above your knees. So I got this, and the next thing I got is like these 2-piece pajama short sets. So I have like 2 or 3 of these already, and I just like to wear these obviously to bed, but I'm one of those type of people that I can't sleep with too many clothes on unless it's just freezing cold because I won't be comfortable. So yeah, it's just like a black camisole with the lace trimming, and then the shorts are the same black, you know, and this is like silk or polyester. I'm not for sure. Does it say what it's made out of on here? No, it doesn't. It's not saying what it's like made out of on here. Polyester. This is polyester. But yeah, I like wearing these to bed because it's like I don't have on anything, but I need to have on something most of the time. So yeah. The next thing I have on is a bra. I'm not one of those type of bloggers that don't show bras and panties because I'm a grown woman and most of us are grown, or girls here. And if you are a guy, I mean, it's not like you don't know that women wear bras and panties. So yeah, this is a bra. I typically wear like a 34C to a 32D, like way in the early D's, and this is like a 32D, I believe. Yeah, so this is a push-up, and I had to get a new one because I needed another nude one. I actually need a lot of bras these days, but that's TMI. I won't go into that. But yeah, I like the nude ones because they go with everything and you can't see them unless you want them to be seen if you're wearing something lace. But you can wear them under things and it's just like not as obvious, even though for the most part we know that, you know, we all wear bras typically with everything. But this is just good because like with some patterns and some not patterns, well yeah, some patterns and some materials, like you don't need to be able to see your bra. It's just not attractive for to be seeing your bra. So yeah, that's why I got this one. The last thing I got was this tote. So it's pretty much a multi kind of like tax tote. I'm gonna use it for work and just like everyday stuff because it can go with everyday stuff. And what I really love about it is that it's red on the inside, and I love the camera is actually showing it, and it has the beauty of giving like on the embroidered, like written on the inside. So I'm guessing it was one of the Christmas probably bags that they was giving away, but this was like 75% off, so it was like a pretty decent deal on it. I'm just gonna use it like for work and like weekend stuff, and just like to throw a lot of stuff in like with the purse stuff, and just anytime I have anything that I need to. I like bags like this because like it's very versatile and you can use them for different things. And I'm always like, when I'm going and doing stuff, I kind of need things that's kind of versatile. Small bags don't really work for me. Like if I'm going out like on a date night or something, sure, but for everyday stuff, it don't really work for me. So that's why I got this one, because I felt like it was gonna be versatile. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on my social links. They're gonna be in the description box below. I feel like there's something else that I'm missing. I don't know. This day has been so crazy. This day did not start out at all good. Like when I got out of the bed, it started out crazy. I'm about to go on a random vent right now, so if you don't want to hear this, click out the video. It started out horrible. Like I got up, my hair was not working right. Like camera stuff wasn't charging correctly. Just everything was going wrong. Food deliveries wasn't like it's been absolutely horrible. So hopefully everything for shooting this video is going decent, because I need something to act right, because for the rest of this day, or since this day has started, it has not been like that. But thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share it and like it and subscribe if you haven't, and I will check you guys out in my next video.